Perched on the rocky hills of Lakonia, Greece, the Tainaron Blue Retreat rises as a beautiful intersection of history and modern comfort. Once a defensive tower guarding the ancient routes of Mani, this centuries-old stone structure has been transformed into a serene guesthouse, preserving its historic essence while embracing a new life of calm and contemplation. In the Mani Peninsula, towers like this one, known as Zouvelos, were symbols of strength, pride, and survival. Built to protect land and families during turbulent times, they stood as silent witnesses to the region's resilience. Tainaron Blue Retreat carries this heritage forward, reinterpreting the defensive architecture of Mani into a space for peaceful reflection and escape. Set on solid rock formations called Reimagined, the tower commands sweeping views of the sea and rugged landscape. Its stone walls seem to grow from the land itself, blending seamlessly with the wild terrain. From every angle, the building looks as though it has always belonged here, a timeless guardian watching over the horizon. The restoration process respected the authenticity of the original structure. Using kourasani, a traditional Roman mortar made from volcanic soil, lime, and ceramic powder, the architects ensured the tower retained both its strength and its soul. The careful craftsmanship allows the building to breathe naturally, giving it a raw and enduring beauty that connects the old with the new. Inside, the transformation unfolds vertically through 4 compact floors. Narrow openings, stone arches, and wooden staircases guide guests upward to discover intimate spaces filled with light and texture. 3 bedrooms, each with private bathrooms and shared living areas such as the kitchen and reception room, create a warm and grounded atmosphere that celebrates simplicity and comfort. Outdoors, the design maintains a deep respect for the surrounding landscape. Minimal interventions preserve the raw beauty of Mani's terrain, while a calm water surface mirrors the tower and the vast sky above. This subtle addition anchors the retreat within its environment, creating a sense of unity between architecture, earth, and sea. The interior journey feels like an exploration through time. Light filters through small windows, illuminating rough stone surfaces and revealing the natural contours of the rock. Every step, whether up a wooden stair or across a stone threshold, connects guests with the tactile story of the tower, reminding them of the centuries of history embedded in its walls. Tainaron Blue Retreat stands as a rare dialogue between heritage and hospitality. It's a place where ancient stone meets modern serenity, where history doesn't simply remain preserved but continues to live. For every guest who stays, it offers more than a view. It offers an experience of timeless Greece, shaped by endurance, simplicity, and the quiet power of place.